Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, hey, welcome. Make sure you hit subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Today I will be showing you guys how I make my one pot chicken and rice. Do you see this? It is extremely delicious, easy to make, not a lot of ingredients. If you follow everything I do, you will be happy in the end and your family will too. So guys, make sure you continue watching to see how I made this delicious one pot chicken and rice. Let's go. Okay, so these are the ingredients. I got my chicken thighs, I got my rice, 2 cups of rice that was clean. Make sure you clean your rice. 2 cups of chicken bouillon. These are my seasonings. The seasonings that I use garlic and herb, ground cumin, onion and herb, black pepper, Tony Creole Seasoning, onion powder, all-purpose seasoning, Italian seasoning. I use chicken seasoning, paprika. We got some garlic paste, cilantro paste. I have minced garlic. In this bowl, I have green onions, green bell pepper, orange bell pepper, and a sliced sweet onion. And we are going to cook everything up and just follow everything that I'm doing, and I hope you enjoy this meal just like I did. There is all my seasonings, and I use 1 teaspoon of each one of these seasonings because I want to make sure my meat is seasoned well but not too salty. So let's go. You want to make sure you season your chicken real well and get under the skin. Okay, let's mix up these seasonings. I'm gonna mix up our seasonings real good. Okay. Want to make sure you rub that seasoning into this chicken, okay? Rubbing in, get under that skin, and you're gonna season on both sides. Now let's make sure we get under that skin. My pan grease. So I have my pan with my hot oil, and I'm going to add the chicken to the pan. We're going to cook it, like basically sear it on both sides. We're not going to fully cook it because remember, it's going to go in the pot with all of the rice and everything, alright? Remember, this is one pot chicken and rice. We're going to let that cook. Alright, let's turn it over and let this skin cook, and we're going to let this cook for about 4 to 5 minutes, and then we're going to remove the chicken from the pan. Alright, so we're going to remove this chicken from the pan. See the other side, nice and brown. That's all we wanted to do. So we're going to leave this oil in the pan from the chicken. Then we're going to add our veggies. Red bell pepper, orange bell pepper, and sweet onion. So we're going to let that cook. Alright, so the veggies are cooked down. I'm going to add some cilantro paste. Some garlic paste, because what's food without garlic? Add garlic to everything. And I got some minced garlic. Right. Yes. We're going to mix that well. Get everything mixed in. I'm going to let that cook a little bit. And then I'm going to add the chicken bouillon. Guys, it smells so good in here. We're going to add the chicken bouillon and let that come to a boil. Mix that up. So we're going to let that come to a boil and we'll be back. Mix your rice in. You want that rice to cook good. You don't want it all on top of each other, so just mix that rice in. And now we're going to add our chicken back in. We're going to let this cook for about a good 30 minutes with the top on, and I'll be back when it's finished. Alright guys, and we are finished. Alright guys, so once your chicken is done, if you want to make sure your chicken is well done, because some people might have bigger chicken thighs than I had, get your food thermometer and just put it in 170, done. You know, just put it in to make sure your chicken is well done, because you don't want to eat no raw chicken and get sick. So just make sure you check the temp of your chicken to make sure it's well done before you eat that chicken. Look at that. Hold on. 1 pot chicken and rice. Look at it. It looks so good. Let's go plate it. And it is all done and plated. We got that chicken, our vegetables in the rice, and we had to add some good old cornbread, honey cornbread. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are going to follow everything I did in this recipe, please be sure to comment down below. Once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.